This video will show you how to add a price rise to your products. Now there's a couple of ways that you can add a price rise. You can do either a price rise for singular products, you can do a bulk add price rise for multiple products, and you can do a change correct price, which you generally use if you have made a mistake with a price rise. Once you have opened up EasyVend, you go into the milk bottle screen here that will show you your product list. The first price rise I will do is a singular product. You'll need to find the product which you wish to change the price for by using the browser search features at the top. For this purpose, I will use product number 20. Once you have that product up on the screen, you can then click this Add Price Rise button at the top. A warning message will appear just to give you a brief information on what that Add Price Rise button will do. Once you click OK to that, you'll notice that the date field here for where these prices will apply from will become available for you. So if you know that a product is changing price sometime in the future, you can do it ahead of time, or you can do it as of today's date if it is as of today's date. For this example, I will do it as at today's date. Once you have put the date in there, you can go over to the cost price, and if the cost price has increased or decreased, you can change this. Now here at the bottom, here are all the price levels that you use, and you can change all of the prices for all the different price levels that you use. So this is the selling prices that you have given to different customers. So all of my wholesale prices, I will increase this to $3. House discount, increase, and so forth. Once you have changed all of the prices there, you click on the Save button at the top, and those prices will then apply as of that date that you have here. It is very important that you use the Add Price Rise button, as this button will keep all of the historical changes in prices for that product. As an example now, if I am to click the previous button up here, it will actually show me that previous price, the one prior to me changing. So it will show you the date that that price was effective, the date that it ended, the prices between those two dates. Click on Next, and it will show you the current one starting as of the next day and the prices effective on that date. If you realize that you have done a price rise but you have made a mistake in one of the prices or a few of them, you can use this Change Correct Price button. Now again, it is very important that you only use this Change Correct Price button if you are correcting a mistake. The reason for this is this button does not keep the historical information of what is being changed, as opposed to the Add Price Rise button. So just say I did this price rise and I realize I've made a mistake with the wholesale price. I actually want to charge them $3.20. I can use this Change Correct Price. That warning message will come up to let you know what it is going to do. And then I can go in here and change that accordingly to the correct price. Again, you will notice that this is not available for you to change, only the prices, because you are changing a mistake. Once that is done, you click on Save, and that price has been changed for you. The other way that you can do it is you can use the Bulk Add Price Rise feature. You would generally want to use this if you are doing a lot of different price rise changes across a bunch of products or all of your products, for a price level or multiple price levels. So if I click this Add Price Rise button, a new screen will appear. Firstly, you'll need to select which price level it is that you want to do the change across all products. For this purpose, I will use price level 2, which you can see over here is for house discount. Again, you will need to select an effective date and just say, I will say it is changing as of the 21st of November, so sometime in the future. Once you have selected the price level and the effective date, you can click on Edit at the top here. My entire product list will appear for me, and in here you can actually make changes a little bit quicker instead of doing them one by one. So again, if you want to make changes to the cost prices, you can do so by entering it here and going down and changing all of them accordingly. It may not be that all of the products have a price rise, so you can leave the ones that don't have any changes and continue on to the next ones. You can then go over to the prices, the selling prices for price level 2 and make the changes to those prices as well. You'll notice that as I'm making these changes, the color is changing into purple, so that is very clear for you which prices you have already altered. So over here, you'll notice that the updated buttons will have ticks in them as well because they need to be updated. All of the ones that you have changed will now be in a purple color so that it's very clear for you what prices you have changed. Once you are finished with that, you can click on Save, and those prices will change for you as of the effective date. Similarly to what I was saying before, it is important that you use the bulk add price rise so that the historical prices are there for you. And again, if you notice that you have made a mistake in the bulk add price rise, you can use the bulk change correct price. But again, the same as just the change correct price, you only use this feature if you have made a mistake. Once you open up the bulk change correct price, again, select the price level which you wish to make changes to, and over here it will actually show you all of the different dates that you have done a price rise on. So I will make a change to the one that I have just done here, and it will show me all of the products, only the products that I made changes to. So if I can click on Edit here, then I can go through and make the appropriate changes based on whatever mistake it was that I had done. So just say I wanted to actually charge this one at $6, this one at $4, and so forth. Once all of those prices have been corrected, click on Save. And close that. And those prices will take effect as of that date.